Yeah, that body's a blessing, girl. I ain't tryna pressure her. She messed with the temperature. Heart wrote this.
So hey guys, this is Techno Start here and I am back with universal mode of Pseudo Fight 2 as I promised in my last video. And in this mod I will tell you how can you make your own patched users.xml file using a Python script that I provided you in the description. Let me tell you that you don't require any type of Python programming knowledge, and please don't get afraid by seeing the terminal. You have to just type only 4 to 5 words and after that your users.xml will get created. So the first thing that you need is Pseudo Fight 2 application which you can download from Play Store. The another thing that you need is PyDroid 3 application which you can download from Play Store. After you downloaded these two apps, you are ready for the second step. So when you are done with the first step, what you have to do, you have to go to my description and download the patcher.pyc file and paste it in the root directory or the internal storage of your device. So for doing that, what you have to do, you have to open any file manager that you use in your day-to-day life. In my case, I use a zarchiver as it's my favorite. So in zarchiver, you have to paste patcher.pyc file from the download folder to this root directory. You can ensure that it's root directory by seeing the title bar where you can see that 0 is typed here, or you can just click on device memory and you will be there in the root directory. Thereafter you pasted this file in the root directory. What you have to do, you have to open PyDroid 3. In PyDroid 3 you have to click on these 3 buttons and thereafter you have to click on terminal. In terminal you have to simply type Python. Don't get afraid guys, it's so easy, it's so simple, just don't get afraid. You have to type Python and you have to type the file name that you downloaded, such as in this case I have patcher.pyc and this file I will provide you in my description. After typing patcher.pyc, just hit enter key and it will ask you for which version of game do you want to patch. Currently 2.11.1 is the latest version of Pseudo Fight 2. So in future if the version gets upgraded or if you are using an old version of Pseudo Fight 2, it will work for all the version. So I am going to type 2.11.1 and I will hit enter key. Done guys, all Python work completed. Now you have to go back to your zarchiver again and you will see a newly created users.xml file here. Now what you have to do, you have to select it, click on the copy button and then you have to go to Android data and then you have to go to com.neki.pseudofight. But wait guys, before you go there, what you have to do, you have to firstly open your Pseudofight application so that it creates a primary data file which you can overwrite with the patched data file. So for doing that, what you have to do, you have to simply open your Pseudo Fight 2 application. But as I have already modded it, so firstly I am going to clear its app data. So for that I am going in its app info and thereafter I will go to the storage and cache option. And then I will click on clear storage option. In case clear storage is not available, it means that you have not started the app still and you don't need to. Just install a fresh installation of Pseudo Fight 2 and just launch it. Thereafter you have to open Pseudo Fight 2 application. Without any worries, you have to make sure that application starts successfully. Okay, so let the application start up. When you will see the Sensei logo, means when you will see Sensei speaking to you, you have to simply quit this application and patch the file that you created using the Python script and you are good to go. So it might ask you for Google login, so you can skip this part and you have to simply click on the close button or whatever. So let's wait. Okay, so we have to wait. Okay, I think yes, here we are. It's telling me that I already have a save game, but I don't want to restore it because I want to just mod that. So you can see that here is Sensei. Now simply close this app and now turn off your mobile data connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to go back to your zarchiver, simply copy that users.xml file and then go to Android folder data folder com.nikki.shadowfight files user data and paste it here, and it will override the old users.xml with our patched users.xml. Now we will open and launch the Shadowfight 2 app again, but make sure that you have turned off your data connection. This time this app will crash, and when it will crash it will tell you to click on the reload button. Okay, then you have to simply follow that. You have to click on the reload button, and then please don't open the app just after pressing the reload button. You have to wait for my instruction. So just be with this video and you will be successfully able to mod this game. So click on the reload button, and thereafter again open zarchiver, go to the same folder android data com.nikki.shadowfight files user data, and you will see that there are two files, users.xml.hash and users_backup.xml. You have to delete these two files. Yes guys, after deleting these two files, just rename this last file. No, you don't have to delete it, you have to simply rename it to, okay, you have to rename it to users.xml.hash, and you are done. Now when you will open Shadowfight 2 application, you will have monk set, sentinel set, as well as infinite gems and coins. In case if you are not able to equip monks and sentinel set, what you have to do, you have to defeat all the bosses. Means you have to defeat first level bosses. After that you will be able to access the monks and sentinel set. So here we are guys, let me close the audio. So done, we have infinite gems, infinite coins, and for sure we have our monks and sentinel set, but it's not visible. Once you defeat links it will get visible. So that's all guys for this video, and let me tell you that I have given Telegram group link in my description. So if you want to talk to me or discuss any issues regarding script, you can go to my Telegram group and ask me directly. So that's all guys, see you in next video. Till then, bye bye, enjoy and have fun, and don't forget to like this video.